I'm out here riding, but there's a lot of traffic. Man, I have a little rant from my rental car experience. I had this Hyundai Tucson for a whole month. It had no get up and go, and it was kind of nerve-wracking. It looks good. It looks like any regular SUV. It's comfortable. The seats are comfortable. It's got 3 power settings: Eco, Sport, and I forgot what the other one was. Well, I tried them all 3 of them. The only bad thing is it still didn't have any get up and go. I didn't trust that thing. You know, they want to charge a lot of money for these SUVs, and it thing doesn't even have any pull to it. You have to gradually hit the gas in order for that SUV to go. I will never grab another Tucson again. That thing probably costs like over $20,000. Most likely a 4-cylinder. We would take the rental car to lunch because we had company vehicles and they had stickers on them, letters and all that. When I started getting into traffic like that with that thing, they were like, "What's wrong with this car?" They're like, "Man, you should take this back to the rental." We got so busy we didn't have time to go do all that. We just took our time every time we went to lunch. I think that's how they all are. It's like a 4-cylinder. That's what you get. I put it on sport mode and that thing wouldn't even move. I mean, it was like 0 to 60 in like 10 minutes. But I just wanted to share that.